Hello and welcome to 3D Printed Project. So I just got myself a Bambu Lab A1 combo, and these are the 10 things that I decided to print. At the end of this video, I would like for you to tell me which model you like the most, and all of these models will be linked down in the description. Up first, we have a PLA waste basket, which I think is a requirement for new owners of Bambu Lab A1 printers. This design features a beautiful hex theme. The overall print came out okay, except for the name that I added on the actual basket. As you can see, the supports didn't generate underneath the letters, so it created a little bit of a mess, but still managed to successfully finish the rest of the model. This design was made by A. Ilterish. They have other wonderful designs ranging from 3D printed flower pots to graphic designs, and they also have beautiful photos on their Instagram. Give them a visit. Not only will this basket keep your area clean, it also looks good. Really happy with this print. Up next, we have a brush holder stand. Reasons for choosing this model out of all the ones that are available is my own personal preference. I really like the design of this model. It has to be noted that this is a remix of another designer who made this product without concealing the bottom. It's actually funny how many other new hobbies opened up for me ever since I got into 3D printing. Up next, we have a functional one-go print. What I mean by one-go print is that this particular design doesn't require multiple parts being printed off to function. It can already move and be used from the get-go. The designer of this model printed 3 different versions. Smallest can even fit in your wallet. At number 4, we have yet another hobby that I recently got into, is airbrushing. Now, there was an oopsie with this particular print. When I was removing the supports, it accidentally snapped, so I had to make another one. This model allows you to put magnets in or screw it into a surface. This airbrush holder does fit some brands of airbrushes better than others. Scale up or down the model to fit your needs. At number 5, we have an airless tennis ball. I printed it off to see if my dogs would be entertained by it. Note that it is generally not safe to give plastic products to your pets, especially without supervision. It is a choking hazard for your animals, so please be cautious when making toys made out of PLA. Here are some clips of my dogs reacting to this model. At number 6, we have a pretty strange print. This is a headphone holder that is modeled after the designer's hand, and my wife was already making jokes that I printed it off for other reasons. I mean, it could be used to scratch your... Never mind that. That was a fun print. Now let's see if this actually does work with the headphones that I have. Just a side note, that these headphones I've had now for over 14 years. They're Sony MDR XB500. They're extremely comfy. I still haven't found any headphones out there that are both good in sound quality and comfort. Up next, we have a joystick controller holder. I played games for most of my life, but I'm getting to the point where I can't even sit down for more than an hour without feeling guilty. Nowadays, I'm focusing mostly on learning everything there is to know about 3D printing and improving the quality of my own prints. I do love how 3D printing allows you to organize your things and make sort of products that are both fully customizable and strong enough to support things. Up next, we have a print where the credit is going to be given to myself. Yes, this is one of my own designs that I made and printed. The satisfaction you get from designing and then bringing your creation to life makes you feel really good. And now I mentioned how I love to organize, so at my number 9 showcasing is a battery holder for 20-volt DeWalt batteries. Simple yet really useful design that features a lock for people that are working in the trades and are driving around from job site to job site. At number 10, we have my favorite print in this video. Yes, this even beats my own mini hockey arena. This particular model is designed by a French 3D printing YouTuber, Body 3D. He has a lot of wonderful designs. I highly suggest to check him out. Well, now that we're nearing the end of the video, let me know down in the comments which model you like the most. Also, please consider subscribing for future content as such. Leave a like if you like this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.